New month, a new update. You already know what it is. We're going to go over September 2023 Visa Bulletin Board. We're going to cover NVC update of this week. One thing we're going to do in this video, we're going to compare last month on Visa Bulletin Board, which is August 2023, with this month Visa Bulletin Board to see how it move. Okay? If it's something you want to know, just stay tuned and I'll be right back. USA Mon. Hello, my beautiful people. This is John from USA Mon. Welcome back. If it's your first time on my channel, well, here I help newcomers, permanent resident, and also U.S. citizens regarding their immigration questions. Sometimes we cover, different topics that can help newcomers to have a better life here in the United States of America. But like I said in the introduction, today's video is about Visa Bulletin Board of this month, September 2023. But before we start talking about the Visa Bulletin Board, let's go over NVC update of this week. Okay, so I have my computer here. I didn't have a chance to write down the information. So some of you guys who started immigrant visa process, you know that the first thing you need to do is to file the I-130 petition. Once you file the I-130 petition and it's approved, in case your relative will come to the United States of America on immigrant visa, your case will move to NVC, National Visa Center. But if your relative already lives here in the United States of America, he or she can adjust the status here in the United States of America, and the case will stay at USCIS. Okay, now let's talk about NVC. Once the case moves to NVC, NVC will contact you. Sometime when your case is approved, it takes longer before NVC contact you. Okay, it's normal, especially if you are not immediate relative, meaning that you are brothers and sisters of a U.S. citizen, you are a spouse or permanent resident, or you are adult children of permanent resident or U.S. citizen. Okay, but if you are immediate relative, meaning that you are a spouse of U.S. citizen or children under age of U.S. citizen, parent of U.S. citizen, you will receive your welcome letter quicker. Okay, so now once you receive your welcome letter, what you're gonna do, you're gonna pay some fees, right? But this week, NVC announced on the website that they are working on cases they received from USCIS on July 19, 2023, meaning that some of you guys will receive a welcome letter and start your immigrant visa process. So you, like I say, once you get a welcome letter, you will get a case number, invoice ID, which you're going to use to log into NVC system, which is called Computer Electronic Application Center system. Once you log into the system, you will pay immigrant visa fee and also affidavit of support fees. Once you pay those fees, NVC will open a DS-260 for you, which is the immigrant visa form. You're going to fill out the form. You're going to submit document. You, the petitioner, will submit some document as well as the intended immigrant, the beneficiary. Okay, the beneficiary document are called civil document. So this week, NVC announced on their website that they are working on reviewing document that was submitted by applicant August 25th, 2023. So they are working on those document. They will let you know if your case is document to qualify. In case something is missing, they will let you know as well. But if your case is on document to qualify, you're gonna wait for your interview appointment letter. Okay, but the thing is, sometimes while waiting for interview appointment letter, something can happen. Maybe you start having a problem, like a medical problem, you are in a hardship or you are in an emergency situation. In that case, you can send a request to NVC, requesting them to expedite your case. Okay, if you send a request, they approve it, then your process is going to be faster. The U.S. consul will contact you and let you know, to know exactly. They will let you know what you do next. So that's something I want you guys to know. But be careful. There are a lot of scammers out there who will tell you that they're going to help you get your interview appointment letter quicker, stuff like that. It's not possible. If you don't expedite your case, there's no another way to get your interview appointment letter quicker. It's not possible. Okay, you just have to wait. You just have to wait. That's all you can do. Okay. So now the third update for NVC is regarding inquiries, right? Some of you guys send inquiries to NVC asking different questions. Well, they are announced on the website this week that they are responding to the one they received from you guys on August 29, 2023. Make sure you check your inbox. Okay, sometime the email can go to the spam folder as well. Check the spam folder and see NVC send you a reply. Okay. All right, guys, that's the NVC update of on this week on cases they are working on, the document, and they are reviewing also the inquiries. Now, let's start talking about visa bulletin board of this month. If you're ready, let's go in front of my computer. So guys, this is date for filing chart for September 2023 visa bulletin. For some of you guys who are waiting for your welcome letter from NVC National Visa Center. Okay, so if it's the first time you're looking at the chart, it's kind of confusing. So the main thing you have to pay attention here is the cutoff date, which is the date in the chart, and also you have to know your priority date. Okay, and then over here we have a different categories. We have like a different columns. This right here is on family sponsor, which is on F1, F2, F3, and F4. So because the chart is on family sponsor preferences chart. Okay, so people who are in Philippines, they have to look at this column right here. People from Mexico, this right here, India, this, China mainland born here, and then if you are not from none of those countries, you just have to pay attention to this column right here. So as you can see here, people who are in F1 category, this is the row you have to pay attention to, and you have to look at your country. Like I say, if your country is not among these 4 countries, you have to look at here. So for people who are from Philippines, from the Philippines, the cutoff date is April 22nd, 2015. So it means that if your priority date comes before this date, it means it's current. You have to get a notification from USCIS or NVC, depending on the agency that has on your case. Okay, so if you're from Mexico, this is the cutoff date, April 1st, 2005. India, this is it right here. China mainland born, this right here. And then if you are not from none of those countries, this is it right here. Again, this is for F1 category. So some of you guys were in F2 category, so we're gonna scroll down here. So F2 is gonna be F2A. So if you're from the Philippines, September 1st, 2023, well, and then Mexico, same thing. India, same thing. China mainland, same thing. And if you're not from none of those countries, on the same date. Okay, September 1st, 2023. So, and then some of you guys who are in F2B category, this is next. F2B category, Philippines, October 1st, 2013. Mexico, August 1st, 2004. India, January 1st, 2017. China mainland born, the rest of the country of the world except those countries, those 4 countries, is going to be the same cutoff date. Okay, and then we're going to move to F3 after that. So for F3, people who are in the Philippines, the cutoff date is November 8, 2003. Mexico, June 15, 2001. India, March 1st, 2010. China mainland born, same date, and also the rest of the country of the world, same cutoff date. And then F4 category. So F4 category from the Philippines is on April 22nd, 2004. Mexico, April 15, 2001. India, February 22nd, 2006. China mainland born, March 1st, 2008. And then the rest of the country of the world, same cutoff date. Okay, so again, this is the date for filing. Now we're going to move to final action date for September 2023. This is final action date. So these people are the one that are waiting for interview appointment letter. So if you're in F1 category, this is the cutoff date here. If you're from the Philippines, this is the cutoff date, March 1st, 2012. Mexico, April 22nd, 2001. India, January 1st, 2015. China mainland born, same cutoff date, and also the rest of the country of the world except on those 4 countries on same cutoff date. Just check to see if your priority date comes on before this day. If it comes before these days, then you're gonna get a notification from NVC or USCIS soon. Okay, and then if you're in a F2A category, so F2A, the cutoff date for the Philippines, January 1st, 2018. Mexico, September 1st, 2016. India, January 1st, 2018. China mainland born, same cutoff date, and also the rest of the country of the world, same cutoff date. Then let's move to F2B category. F2B, if you're from the Philippines, the cutoff date is on October 22nd, 2011. Mexico, August 1st, 2001. India, September 22nd, 2015. China mainland born, and the rest of the country of the world, same cutoff date. The F3 category for final action date. If you're from the Philippines, it's gonna be June 8, 2002. Mexico, January 15, 1998. India, January 8, 2009. China mainland born, and if you know from none of those countries, same cutoff date. And then F4 category. Okay, for F4 category, we have the Philippines, which is August 22nd, 2002. Mexico, which is August 1st, 2000. India, September 15, 2005. China mainland born April 22nd, 2007. And then the rest of the country of the world, same cutoff date. So this is the final action date. Okay, so guys, again, just check your priority date against this cutoff date. Now here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna compare last month, August 2023 date for filing, and final action date with this date for filing of last month and this month, and also final action date from last month this month, to see what changed. I'm just gonna check a couple categories. Okay, so this is the date for filing for August 2023. So over here we see that like in the Philippines, for example, F1 category, the cutoff date was April 22nd, 2015. And then for F2A, it was current, but this month, if you see here, the cutoff date is still the same for the Philippines, April 22nd, 2015. Okay, but over here for F2A category, the cutoff date change is no longer current. It changed to September 1st, 2023. Okay, what about let's see, F4 category. F4 category, so if you check it here, last month for the Philippines was April 22nd, 2004. And then over here for people who are from another country, so March 1st, 2008. Let's check that. So for this one, March 1st, 2008, last month, or this month is still the same, nothing moved. And even the Philippines, nothing moved. So it looks like everything is still the same for F4 category. Okay, now F3 also, F3 nothing changed in F3 category. What about F2B? F2B, January 1st, 2017. Let's see, nothing changed. So basically nothing changed from last month date for filing chart. Okay, let's check final action date chart. So this is the final action date chart from August, and then we're gonna compare with the one before of the September. So for F1 category, let's see, something changed. So is on January 1st, 2015. You see here, so basically the same. Yep, nothing changed at all. F2A, well, it changed. F2A, so the cutoff date last month of October 8, 2017. Then this month in January 2018. So it changed. It moved like 3 months or something like that. And then across the F2A. And then what about F2B? F2B, as you can see, is on September 22nd, 2015. Nothing changed there. F3 category. F3 category was on January 8, 2009. As you can see, nothing changed there as well. And then F4 category, April 22nd, 2007. As you can see here, nothing changed. The only thing that changed was on F2A category. That's the only change we've seen between last month and this month chart. So guys, basically that's what is going on NVC regarding chart, Visa Bulletin board chart. If you have any question, please let me know in the description below. That's it for today's video. I hope you guys love and learn something from it. If you know somebody you think will benefit from the video, go ahead and share with that person. If you like the video, click on the like button. If you want to subscribe to this channel, click on the subscribe button. Once again, my name is John. If you want to support the channel, we have a super thanks below this video. You can click on this thanks button. Again, thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you in another video.
USA Monde.